What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future uploads. My name's Stingy Roger and I make weekly content on the Talaria Sting and so on platforms. So as you can see behind me is my $13,000 Talaria Sting. I thought for 2024, why not rebuild it? So let's go.
Put them in the dirt, say it again, man, and that's a reverse. Never rehearse, jumping in first. Call up the nurse, put the beat in the hearse. This is absurd, take the berserk. Don't get on the tracks, man, and they better swerve. Don't got a nerve, man, I never curse. Just casting these spells when I'm spelling these words. That's real, that's too real. I've been Roosevelt, I need a new deal. Trying to figure out what I should do still. I'm really never waiting here too still.
So guys, the bike is done. Obviously everyone has their own taste, but I think this is the best Talaria Sting I've seen. It features a load of custom mods that are a one-off that I've made for my bike. And if you are interested in purchasing any of these for yourself, I'm going to make a small limited run of them and put them on the WGT website, which will be linked below. All of these products, as well as the affiliate or discount codes, will be linked in the description below. So make sure you check them out if you're interested in anything. But I'm going to go through the mods one by one on the bike. If you haven't seen my old build video here, the link to that will also be in the description. So maybe check that one out after you've seen this one so you can see the evolution of the bike. But without further ado, let's go over what we've done. So, as you can see, I've got a new wheel set, front and back. Now, these are a lovely set of WGT Racing V2 wheels. I also have his rear sprocket and his rear floating brake disc. These wheels look absolutely gorgeous. They have the thicker spokes, the thicker nipples, and the SM Pro hubs. So, really over the moon with those. So, thanks for WGT. Link will be in the description. If you use this discount code on the screen here, you'll get a discount, which is always great. They're in the UK, they're always in stock, and you don't have to pay VAT on them because it's already paid for. So yeah, moving on. Now, moving up, we've got this lovely Thrill Seeker seat. This came from San Diego, have the Stingy Roger badge on it. I went for the multicolored ribs, so I've got white ribs, grey sides, black top. Moving down from here, we have my custom-made Talaria Sting side blades. Now, if you come to the back of the bike, you'll see they actually mount using the standard hardware. So you've got a bolt here and a bolt here behind the rear light, which holds this on. Super rigid, super strong. It's not going anywhere. I was going to have my bike with the plastic ones, but I've gone for genuine carbon fiber overlay. So you can purchase either the plastic or the carbon fiber on the WGT website, like I mentioned a minute ago. Moving forward from here, now, obviously, a massive part of this bike is the lovely graphics kit. Now, this came from Martin Graphic Design. As you can see, his logos layered around the bike in various places. He's over in Venice. He built this kit from the ground up. I think it looks fantastic, fits great, sticks well, and he doesn't charge an extortionate amount, which is great. I think I paid £160 for the whole kit. Made one of one custom for my bike, which is absolutely great. Moving forward from here, so at the front of the bike, we have the most changes. Obviously, if you saw my video a few weeks back, I got the Fast Ace forks. Now, I do have a discount code for those below, which is @StingyRoger with 2 R's, and the link to purchase will be in the description. They came really quickly, direct from the manufacturer, which is great. Make sure you get the £60 spring rate. They are perfect. Now, obviously, we have the KTM front end. I did have to manufacture my own brackets and mounting points for these, which are available on the WGT website, as well as the wheels and all the other parts I'm going to show you. So make sure you check that out. But yeah, I think it came out fantastic. I did get a generic number and name off of eBay in holographic. I just thought it popped, and then used some of the Martin graphic kit from the Talaria template to fit up here, and it looks great. Now, if you come in closer to the forks, you'll see I've made some modifications. These include the carbon fiber fork guards. These just make the stanchions look a bit beefier and also add some protection. So if you lay the bike down, you're not going to scuff them or scratch them, which is great. They simply snap on and off, as I'll put a clip in now. Coming down from here, I've got the WGT wheels. And then below that, I've also got another new addition, which is the Nuclear P24F controller. Now, this controller is phenomenal. I much prefer it over my KO controller that I used to have. And it also comes with a really nice display, which I've mounted up on the bar pad using some custom hardware again that I've made. So this is stuck to the bar pad really well. It all lights up and everything. I'll show you that a bit later on. We've got some new bars. Due to the offset of these forks being slightly different to what I'm used to, I've just gone up from 27mm rise to 50mm rise, and it's sorted out perfectly. new grips, but they're just the same as before, but they're just a fresh set. And then moving down from here, we have the Evolve pegs. I've had these on for ages. These are phenomenal, as well as the Evolve peg brackets. They're super thick. They're never going to bend them. Really recommend those if you're looking for a set. Yeah, and then around this side, we've got the last new upgrade, or two of them actually. One of them is a custom gearbox cover by E-Bike Part Shop. I also have a discount code for his website, which is Stingy Roger. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check those out. And then the final piece of the puzzle, which I made myself again, is the Talaria Sting charge hole blanking plate. So this is a blanking plate which glues to the inside of your battery lid and gets rid of that nasty hole which leaves wires exposed, etc. But yeah, that's also on the WGT website. But yeah, let me know what you think. I think personally that this is my favorite Talaria that I've ever seen. It looks sick. It looks like a racing bike, to be honest. Obviously I had to put new tires on the wheels, but I've gone back to a Midas and stayed with the MX-33 on the front. I think that's a really, really good combination. I'll quickly show you now what the screen looks like. I've just turned on the bike to give you a demonstration of this display. So the display gives you your miles per hour, your voltage. You can also cycle down and see your battery percent, which is great. The screen's really accurate and it has variable brightness, so you can it brightens itself up when it's really sunny or dulls when it's dark. Same with the buttons, you can change the color, everything completely customizable. Now there are lots of other things on this build, such as the shock, the brakes and all that. But if you want to know about the other little mods, you're going to have to check out my last video that I did, as these mods were already on it and I gave my verdict of those. So yeah, again, the link for that is in the description. But yeah, so I'm really stoked with how it came out. I think it's the nicest Talaria build that I've seen on the internet so far. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think. Next video is going to be the first ride on this beast, as I haven't actually rode it yet. It's just too cool and too clean for me to have rode it before I'm making this video. But next weekend we're going to head out with the boys at Rondon. We're going to head out with Sam, Ronnie from E-Bike Part Shop, maybe some other guys, and yeah, should be a great video. So stick around, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, make sure you click the notification bell so that you stay up to date with all my new posts, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.